After the berry harvest, the time arrives to make delicious jellies and jams in Minnesota. You can save these treats to enjoy over the winter months or share them with friends. There's nothing better to sweeten up your toast, your waffle, or mix with yogurt for a delightful treat. Today we are with seasoned jam professional Carol Johnson, who's going to show us how to make our very own strawberry jam. Carol, I think that sometimes making jam takes too much time and energy. Is there another option?
There is. It's called freezer jam or no-cook jam. You do have to cook the pectin and the water together. But other than that, it's mixed in with the berries and the sugar, and it turns out very well. You'll enjoy making it.
Carol, let's get started.
What you're going to need is some fresh strawberries, or you can use frozen strawberries too. We're going to take these strawberries, take off their green heads, put them in this bowl, and we're going to mash them with a potato masher. So we get them with their juice out and their flesh coming to the surface, so this will be good.
What are the advantages of using fresh, local grown strawberries?
For one thing, they have better flavor because you're buying them fresh and when the day they ripen. After you have crushed the berries, you add the sugar. 2 cups of berries, you add 4 cups of sugar. You stir that until the sugar is dissolved. You're going to make your pectin as the directions tell you. You then add it to the berries and you will stir it for the designated time, and then you will pour it into the container. The containers must be able to have boiling water put into them. This is one that you can freeze in also. This is not. It does not have a tight enough seal, but it can be kept in your refrigerator for a long period of time. This can be kept in your freezer for up to a year.
This easy and delicious recipe is courtesy of thepioneerwoman.com. For this and other great recipes, or to find a local berry patch near you, visit minnesotagrown.com.